So today, I am going to present to you two banks considered as the top banks that offer credit cards tailoring the different needs and lifestyles of their client. Number one, BDO. Now, what makes BDO stand out? BDO has the strongest reward and cashback program. Kaya naman marami sa atin ang may BDO credit cards. They also have broad card variety. So iba-ibang credit cards that meets the lifestyle and the needs of the client. And of course, global network. Ang credit cards nila, like any other credit cards, accepted worldwide. And eto pa, frequent promotions and installment offers. Cashback, di ba? O kaya yung buy now, pay later. Cash now, pay later. And now, here we go. How about yung question na, anong credit card ang may zero annual fee for life? Ang sagot dyan, walang credit cards ang BDO kung saan nag-o-offer ng zero annual fee for life. Ang siste ng BDO is that you have to meet a threshold or you have to meet a spending requirement to be able to avail the zero annual fee for life. And now, let us proceed to the second bank that offers one of the best credit cards ever. Okay, sige. Metrobank, the best among the best also. Okay, so what makes Metrobank stand out? The reason why is that credit cards of Metrobank also offers cashback, rewards, and dining discounts. Let us also emphasize yung kanilang cashbacks. So, meron silang 5% rebate on essentials. So, isn't that great? Kaya naman, no doubt, marami talagang may gusto din sa Metrobank credit cards. Aside from that, meron din silang 0% installment on special products and promotions in Shopee and Lazada. And eto na, pangmasa talaga, the Metrobank offers credit cards with no annual fee. At ang credit card na yan is yung Metrobank M-Free Mastercard. So, ito yung credit card ng Metrobank na walang annual fee. So, ito naman yung difference ni Metrobank at saka ni BDO. Si BDO kasi wala siyang credit cards na nag-offer ng zero annual fee. Samantalang si Metrobank, meron silang Metrobank M-Free Mastercard wherein zero annual fee for life.